Hello, good morning. Ito po, mayroon lang akong vlog. Pakinggan nyo lang po. Ito po ay tungkol po sa isang taga Luzon na nanlalait, racist sa mga taga Mindanao. Ito, pakinggan nyo po. Itong pakiusap ko sa inyo mga kapwa ko taga Mindanao. Huwag nyo nang patiwalaan at huwag patulan itong si Richard Hidarian na to. Ano ito elitista, mang-aapi, nagdi-discriminate, racist. Laban sa Mindanao. Biro mo tayong taga Mindanao, tatawagin niyang sub-Saharan ang mentalidad na may tinatag pa siya na Human Development Index. Na sinasabi niya mababa daw ang Human Development Index natin mga taga Mindanao. Oh, anong ibig sabihin niya? Parang sinasabi mo na ikaw lang bright, kami mga mangmang. Oh, paano naman kung siya daw taga Luzon, taga Northern Luzon, ay mataas daw ang human index niya kasing taas daw ba sa Southern Europe. Kung ganon, bakit marami pa kayong nahalal dyan ng mga bubutante na mga kurakot na mga opisyal? Di ba? Richard Darian, bahala ka sa buhay mo. Paano mo nawawalan ka na ng kredibilidad sa mga fans mo na taga Mindanao?
Because, of course, he is very well supported by a very vocal base, not just in the Philippines, but by a Filipino diaspora around the world who, of course, repatriate their money to the Philippines, right? I mean, there is certainly a base of support for the former president.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, he basically has, I know many are going to get mad at me, kind of his own version of a MAGA in the Philippines, a kind of a very right-wing populist base, which is solidly behind him, sees a man of strength and decisiveness in him. As we speak, Duterte supporters are tagging President Donald Trump online to come and save Duterte, because last time I checked, Donald Trump is against the ICC for the warrant of arrest they issued against Netanyahu, among other allies of the U.S. So going back to this, I mean, their base of support, first of all, is in the south of the Philippines, the so-called Solid South, the Mindanao region, where there is a lot of legitimate grievances against the national government. I mean, it is one of the poorest areas of the country. I come from the north of the country, where our human development index is almost Southern Europe. But if you go to Mindanao, their human development index is sub-Saharan African level. So Dutertes have a very strong following there because they have weaponized the grievance. They also have religious groups, powerful religious groups. One religious group, for instance, the other month had a 1 million strong rally. So definitely you never underestimate the base of support. But nevertheless, also I would say,
Isa lang ibig sabihin niyan. Ang yabang mo para masabi na magaling kayo. Kung magaling yung taga Luzon, sa North, kung magaling kayo mga botante dyan, bakit marami kong hinahalal dyan ng mga kurakot? Tapos tatawagin mo kami Mindanao na dahil ginagawa mo, kaya sumusuporta mga Mindanao na tudong-tudo kay Duterte kasi tinatag mo na mga sub-Saharan, mangmang. Sino mas mangmang? Kayo na bumubuto ng mga korap ng mga politiko o kaming mga taga Mindanao? Pare-pareho lang tayo bumubuto ng korap Sige, sumagot ka, Mr. Hidarian. Tingnan natin. Hindi po namin matatanggap yung apology mo. Masyadong although opinion mo lang yan, pero parang marami na kasi naniniwala sa iyo. Kaya kontrahin namin, hindi po totoo yan na sub-Saharan, mga matatalino po kami. Ako lang 138 ang aking intelligence quotient. Ikaw, ano ka? Hanggang dyan lang muna, kailangan humingi pa ng hindi ko alam kung anong kapatawaran ng bibigay. Mabuti pala sa bayan, sa lungsod ng Isabela, sa Basilan, pinroclaim ka na persona non grata. Okay, hanggang dyan lang muna. Maraming salamat po.